How to fix connection error on Snapchat login. Let's get started. First things first, let's make sure your internet connection is working properly. Launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. For this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. If the connection is fine but you are still facing issues, let's give the app a fresh start. First, close Snapchat by swiping it away from your recent apps, then reopen it. This can fix minor glitches that may be blocking the connection. Clear Snapchat cache. Head towards the profile page of Snapchat, click on Settings option. Here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under Privacy Controls, you'll find the option of Clear Data. Click on it. Click on Clear Cache. Click on Clear. If clearing the cache didn't help, it's time to check if your app is up to date or not. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, you'll see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. If the problem persists, it might be due to your phone's network settings. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of General, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Using a VPN or proxy can interfere with Snapchat's ability to connect. If you have a VPN enabled, try turning it off and see if the error goes away. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Snapchat from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. By following these simple steps, whether it's checking your connection, clearing the cache, or reinstalling the app, you should be able to fix the connection error on Snapchat and get back to your snapping with your friends. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.